Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Planet Falcor. In today's episode, we're going to be working on our downstairs area, finally. Hopefully get our bedroom all set up and our furnace array going. So, let me go ahead and include a time-lapse of me digging this out, and I will see you when I'm done.
Space music. Cosmic connection. Space music.
Alright guys, got the room all built, or dug out, not built. As you probably saw, I ran into some technical problems with this array right here. So once we get everything all built in here, we're gonna have to relocate that to a different location. I hate to do it, but I'm probably gonna have to use one central drop point. I haven't quite decided, but once we get this all done, that'll be the next project, since I don't think that'll run into any problems over here or over here. But it could run into problems down here inside our room. Actually, it most likely will, so we'll see once we get everything built over here. So let me get the flooring and these walls, side walls in, and I will be back. Alright, we got the staircase all done here, and the flooring is all done. Ran into some more problems over here for the other two sides, so gonna have to deal with that. We're definitely gonna have to move all of these sorting systems out of the way and move them to a different location. I haven't quite decided where, but they're definitely gonna have to move. Probably same with that, but for now I'll just keep tearing them out until we get everything all finished. So let me get started on these walls and I will be So we got the walls all done here. We just have to do the ceiling now. That's what it looks like. I haven't got the furnace array hooked up yet, but that's where everything will go. And there'll be a doorway there and a doorway there. Should have enough lighting down here so no mobs will be able to spawn. So that's what I'm going to be working on the roof right now to take care of this middle area. And then we will hook up the furnace array. So be back in a minute. Well, we got the room finished. That's what the ceiling looks like. So I think it looks pretty cool. I need to hook up this furnace array real quick and probably put the door in, but not do the room under the stairs today. Probably do that in a future episode. So let me go ahead and hook that up. It's not my design. I will put a link in the description of whose design it is. And I will be back again. Alright guys, got a little bit more work done, got the furnace array all hooked up. With changing the design here, it was a little bit more work than I thought it would be. Because on the original design, the chests are up in the top there, and so pretty much have to move the items to the back, bring them up, and then bring them back over to the chest. So let me show you what I had to do here. Alright, I originally, on this side, I have it set up. I ended up hooking up a dropper elevator to send all the items over, but it doesn't quite work. It'll only fill up the first furnace until the hopper right there is full, and then it'll move to the next one. So I'm trying to decide if I want to hook this system up over here also. I haven't quite decided yet, so let me know what you guys think, if I should do that or not. Right now I just have, or I manually evenly separated the coal into each of the droppers. So let me show you this setup here. It took me a while to figure this out. So you got the chest, goes into the hopper, into the dropper, and then you have a comparator coming off of that. Detects when there's items inside the dropper, and then it comes out, powers this block, which powers that torch. This torch comes in and creates a torch clock, or a rapid clock. And let me show you that real quick, actually. That'll work. So it shoots items a lot faster than normal. And apparently my system is broken. What is going on? Alright. Huh. I guess it shot all the items up. That's very strange. From watching, I don't remember it doing that. Okay, anyways. That goes down. The torch clock comes down in here. The signal comes over. Have it staircase up a little bit. Powers that block right there, which powers the dropper, which shoots all the items. And then coming over here, the comparator powers this block, which the repeater picks up, which powers that block, which indirectly powers this block down here, or the redstone, which comes over. Then we have 16 ticks of delay, which powers this block right here. Comes over, the signal comes over, powers that block right there. So this one won't be pulsing as fast as that one, but it'll still be pulsing somewhat fast. And then the signal comes up with the 16 ticks, and then comes back in through here at a 25 tick delay, which will create a double pulse at the end well, it'll create a double pulse for the entire time, but on the once this one's done, it'll give it an extra pulse 8 or 9 ticks after. So, and then that's pretty much it for down here. I only could get the it also goes into a torch tower, which you will see in a second. There's a torch tower right there. It's to power this piston, which shoots the items back up, since I only could get it to go so high. So I shoot the items back up. Oh, there's a creeper in the water stream. Let's kill him, make sure he doesn't steal all my stuff. Alright, so from the way the water stream is flowing, the piston is going to shoot items that way. So it's going to come up here, shoot the items over, the water stream picks it up and brings it back over into here. And then this one has a lot more delay than the first one because it wasn't getting enough items. It was only picking up like one item per cycle. So I have a lot of delay coming in here. Same setup, pretty much a double pulsar, just with more delay. And then, yeah, that all goes into that chest, which feeds the system. Let's see, I showed you the torch tower, normal torch tower that I do. Or not torch, dropper tower. I think that's pretty much it for over here. Yeah, I'll leave the link in the description for this furnace array. It's a pretty cool design. Let's see. Let's get out of here. Also did the stairs. I'll fix that later. Yeah, that's where my bed's going to be and the portal. I haven't got it all hooked up yet, but also need to remove the system in the middle that was shooting excess items out. So I'll have to find a place to put that. Yeah, let me show you this real quick. I already showed you the design outside, I think, last episode. So that's pretty much it right here. And then we got two buttons outside coming down over here. And then they go into a clock. But these can be used as a pulse extender, apparently. So it's going to extend the pulse for quite longer than a button. So, and then, yeah, got 6 or 8 items in there. And then that'll come into the torch tower. That's where the original design stops. I just added a torch. Let's see here. How can I show that? Do I have a button? I can make one real quick. Alright. So that's a sticky piston right there. It'll push it. And then once the items come out, or I'll get over there, it'll pull it back. And then once all the items are out of it, it'll push, or it'll retract that piston, and that'll stay back there. It's pretty much a bud switch, but that's what we're pretty much doing with the repeaters here. We're creating a block update on this block. That's why this is powered, but the piston isn't extended. If we go back outside, I can show you that. I probably should have grabbed some ender pearls. Yeah, we'll be doing this room in a future episode. Hopefully sometime very soon, since I kind of need to get my portal from outside. Also got that there so I can lock the door so mobs can't get in. I have it built right here. Let's see if we put one item in. And then we could just update that. As you can see, it's a block up or a bud switch. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I've done anything else around here. Got lots of iron now though from the iron farm. Let's go check that out. Got 3 double chests full so far. But that's going to be it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave the like button, or make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. I will see you guys next time.